What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to use the split screen mode on your Galaxy S24 FE. So first of all, open an app that you want to view in split screen view and then tap on this recent key. Now tap on the app icon and then tap on open in split screen view. Now here open the second app, so you can open any app. So here I'm going to open contacts. So that's how you can open split screen view. Now you can increase or decrease the size of these screens, and to close, swipe all the way up or down from the center of your split screen. So that's how you can use split screen mode on your Galaxy S24 FE. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.